Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to an North Wales side-by-side video. We're in the Aygo today and we're just going to have a quick look at the stalk controls on the steering column, one either side. And as always, we'll start on the left hand side. Self-explanatory: indicators right, indicators left. This part of the stalk turns. We've got auto lights on this car, so the car will put the lights on as and when the sensors up here think that the lights need to come on. I personally always leave my lights in auto. Side lights, headlights manual. High beam is accessed by just pushing the stalk forward, pulling it back to go back onto low beam. Flash the lights, just pull it towards you. We'll put it back in auto. Then we've got the fog light. Again, this bit rotates. We've got off, front fog, and then you turn rear fog on by just flicking the switch. Turn rear off, and it goes off. So that stalk is really simple, really self-explanatory. That one covers all the lights on the car. So let's come to the right hand stalk. This one controls the washers and the wipers on the front and the rear of the car. And you've got multiple settings on this stalk. Once again, this car has auto wipers, but you can override that. So I'm looking at these symbols here now. We've got flick it up once for one swipe of the wipers. The 0 is the off position. Bring it down 1, put it into the auto position. When you're in the auto position, you've also got a sensitivity adjustment, and that is on this rotating part. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sensitivities. Auto wipers work really well. Then you can manually turn your wipers on by coming down 1 more. That's the first speed, that's the second speed. So that's the front wipers covered. Rear wipers are on the last part of the stalk. Off, intermediate, on. Self-explanatory. Let's have a look at the rear wiper. They're off, intermediate, on permanently. That stalk also controls the rear wash wipe. To access that function is the reverse to the front. Front, you pull it towards you and the wipers come on. Do a couple of sweeps, clean the windscreen. Rear, you push it away from you, it fires the washer jet and it fires the wiper blade. So let me show you. I'll point to the back of the car now and I'll push it forward. And it's got a good wipe, that rear wiper has. So that's the wiper stalks on an Aygo Cross. They're all generic Toyota. You've got the same in the Yaris. So Aygo and Yaris share steering wheel and all the stalk functions. So if you've jumped out of one into the other, you're not lost. Everything is really, really simple to use. Once again, thanks for watching the North Wales side-by-side video. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing.